Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be how I found this Yamaha Raz at a flea market. Of all places. Well, actually it was at the Hamfest I went to. You guys are going to have to check this out. This is going to be pretty cool. So anyway, this ain't going to be on this bike. This is going to be next week's video. How to get this thing running. This week's video is going to be on the Hamfest of Berea, Ohio. And I'm going to be getting more into electronic stuff now because winter's coming. It's going to be cold out here and I don't want to be freezing my butt off, so I'm going to be doing electronics. So anyway, guys, I apologize. Hopefully you don't get bored. I really don't, but I'm trying to make it funny for you. So anyway, I like doing the lawnmowers and I like doing the mini bikes and motorcycles and getting things running. Don't run forever. Let's also get some electronics going that hasn't worked in forever. So anyhow, thanks a lot, guys. We're going to watch this video, and next week I'm gonna be surprised. Wait till you see the Halloween special. Anyway, we'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna start working on this for next week so you guys can see this thing get running. Yeah. Well, good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's an early Sunday morning. Around 6 a.m. We're at another Hamfest, Berea Fairgrounds, and it's already getting pretty packed. And we're gonna look around. See what kind of cool stuff we can find this morning after I have more of my coffee. Yeah, it's too early, but it's still fun. Shopping by flashlight. For sure, this is how we do it. Gotta find the good deals.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Pyramid of speakers, man.
Huh? Hey, well, there he is. Yeah.
Oh, look at buckets. Snuck over to the flea market and he got himself a prize. Oh, what'd you find, Buckets?
I couldn't help it. I had to sneak over to the flea market.
Yeah, you did sneak
I
off.
found myself a prize. And another CV, too. Dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. Maybe we'll make a video on it. See if I can get it running. Just to see if it runs. Yeah. Holy buckets. Well, now that it's daylight, I'll show you some of the cool stuff that we have here. A pyramid of radio speakers. You can find everything at a Hamfest, even railroad stuff. Wow. Gentleman's still setting up. Oh, look at this equipment over here. Some old radio equipment. And some license plates. Oh, I'm gonna have to look through those. Stand by. I did buy the stack. I like old license plates. Gotta have them. Some more nice equipment here.
Peanut butter on him.
Pretty neat light. Kind of looks like something from Doctor Who.
Hey, if you could use it, make me a little.
All right.
Maybe I'm too high.
So I'm getting here to the end of this aisle. And if you look back, there's quite a few people set up today.
How you can do better. Again, the 10 first antennas and how you can do better. 10 a.m. in the forum. I'm certainly not going to go to a Hamfest with that.
one?
Everything's gotta go. Done? Done deal. I didn't realize. This is the best one. That's what I thought. I mean, I don't want to.
Hey, wake up, everybody! Sorry. I hope you can bore you to sleep. Anyway, it was kind of fun. But anyway, remember, next week's video, let's get this thing running. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll try to make some funny videos. And do you know where your 10 millimeter is at? There it is. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Have a good week. We'll see you again next week. Whew. I don't know where I'm gonna go with this thing. Where should I start? It's gonna be a long week.
Happy Halloween from fucking garage. You know what your millimeters at?